Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 4 moves for massive arms.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? Mitchell Spadafore, IFBB Pro men's physique competitor here. I'm here at the Criticalbench headquarters and I'm really looking forward to showing you these arm exercises. They aren't like everyone else's, I'm going to reassure you that, and they are a little bit different. So my mindset with them is I'm looking to push myself past that breaking point and push myself past that pain point that I can really force myself to grow. So I'm gonna do the first 2 bicep ones first, and then I'm gonna do the second 2 tricep ones. So to start, this is gonna be an alternating hammer curl. Now, how this is different from every other hammer curl is I'm thinking about engaging not only my biceps, but also my triceps. So this is a multifunctional movement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a range of motion of 1.5. So what that is I go halfway up, all the way down, and then all the way back up, and that's 1 rep. So I usually do 6 to 7 of those, but I'm just gonna do 2 to 3 just for demonstrational purposes. So before I start, in order to engage your brachialis, which is the portion between your bicep and your tricep, you have to squeeze your arm up against your body. I'm gonna go halfway up, all the way down, all the way back up, and that's 1 rep. And as you can see, I'm keeping my tricep kind of squeezed as well, so that way it's also getting some blood flowing to that area. Yeah, it's really important to just feel not only your biceps, but your triceps on this movement. And I really feel like hammer curls has been a big difference maker for biceps. Okay, so now the next one I'm gonna show you is I like using plates to curl. Now, some gyms also do have the handle in the center, so that does make it a little bit easier. Now, basically what this is, it's targeting not only biceps, but also forearms. So when I'm doing these, I'm literally just doing a curl, but I'm curling up in this direction. And I kind of got to keep my thumb over it a little bit, and I'm curling to the outside. To really target the peak of the bicep. And then, so now I'm gonna get into the tricep one. So this is an isolation exercise. I'm doing like a tricep sideways kickback. So when I'm doing this, I prefer to look in the mirror, to be honest, because I get a much better mind-muscle connection. But as you can see, I'm going all the way up, slow, 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 back down. Now, this is different than every other kickback, as you can see, because I'm doing a sideways kickback. I'm going out diagonally, so I'm targeting my long head, I'm targeting the medial head, and I feel as though I can get a much better workout doing this versus normal kickbacks. Alrighty guys, before I forget, wanted to remind you to click in the pinned comments to see our free report on what kills testosterone. The 7 things that kill testosterone specifically, and remember to check that out. I think you guys will receive a lot of value from that, and I think you'll enjoy reading it. So now moving forward, I'm gonna show you the last exercise. So now with this one, I started doing this because personally, upper back or standing overhead presses bother my elbow. I'm not sure why, but sometimes they do. So I find that by doing this, as you can see my rep tempo, I do about a 3-second negative, pause, 2-second on the way back up. 1, 2, 3, pause. And ideally, I'm trying to hit all back here. And you can really feel that by touching the muscle that you're targeting. And that's honestly one of my favorite things to do, especially when I'm having a hard time targeting an area, is touching it and engaging it, because it makes it a lot easier to think about it mentally. So those are 4 exercises that can get you some massive arms. Now, do not forget to click in the pinned comments to check out seven things that kill testosterone. It's a report that a lot of you, I'm sure, can learn a lot of new information about and can help you throughout your fitness journey. Now, I also want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the Criticalbench page, and also ask any questions in the comments. I'm looking forward to seeing these questions. I'm sure Chris will tell me about them, and I'm looking forward to answering your guys' questions. So take care, guys. Thank you for watching.